This dude's a savage.
We are out here in Apache Junction on the house on Palo Verde. We're just gonna get here and we're gonna walk through. Richard's here. Again, the demo's been done, so we're gonna go in there, we're gonna look inside, we're gonna see what's going on, redirect if we need to, kind of check it out. I did notice a couple things. This dumpster right here, it's way too full. You can't have your guys do that. It's gonna get flagged, and when they go to pick it up, they're not gonna pick it up. So let's talk about why we purchased out here in Apache Junction. We like to purchase homes if possible, because at the end of the day, we wanna sell for the average price in the medium price range. That's where we like to focus. So we wanna buy anywhere from 140 all the way up to 200, and then we sell from 230 all the way up to 300. So that's the happy range. Sometimes you have to go out in a little farther cities. Apache Junction years ago, I would not have purchased here. But now, because of what's happened to the market, you can get cheaper homes out here. And at the end of the day, people, especially first-time home buyers, they're looking to buy a house around $200,000 to $300,000 because that's what they can afford. It's actually cheaper to purchase than it is to rent. So that's why we like to focus on homes that are a little cheaper. So that's why we came out here. We have purchased anywhere from 5 to 10 properties in the last year out in Apache Junction, and we've done really well. So we're gonna go inside, we're gonna take a look and kind of see how things are going. So let's go inside. What's going on?
It's going good. It's going good.
All right, so looks like we got the demo done.
Still in demo project. Yeah, we're good. Yeah, got electrical done, can lights, scrape it. We're back here.
Awesome.
He mudded it, but another coat going on here.
Oh, he did a skim coat?
He just skim coated the back area just so this is the way he does it.
Okay.
Skim coat. Then he's gonna come out here, do another little touch up, fill the little patches up, and start skimming all this, cover up these holes, and just start skim coating all this.
Okay.
And then
So let's talk about what are we gonna do? Are we gonna put the kitchen back the same way, or what do you got going on for layout here in the kitchen?
I'm gonna put the kitchen back the same way, basically. Refrigerator. I'm gonna add a dishwasher, and we have this outlet right here, so we can have power for dishwasher disposal.
Okay.
So refrigerator, cabinet with the dishwasher.
Got it.
Cabinet, stove, cabinet. I'm gonna just leave it how it was, but then I noticed, this is area here, so I'm just gonna add another cabinet here to make it a full kitchen.
Perfect.
And then I got can light, so 6 can lights here.
I don't think, just because we've had some issues with the dining room lining up, I probably won't even do a dining room light.
Yeah,
And then we just do,
can light there.
we'll just do, if you wanted to add maybe one more can, and then they can put their dining room table here, and then we don't have to spend the money on a dining room light. It's hard to line them up, and then everyone has a different size dining room table, so let's keep going. How are we looking on this back room here?
I put on electric. I think we didn't talk about this, but I put a can light here because we needed some type of light.
For a door.
Remove this
Perfect.
electric. I took that all out. Put new wires. Now this is the new light for the garage. This is the new light for this. For the ceiling fan.
Oh man, this is way
And then
better.
I added 2 can lights here because it was not no light in here. So I added another light switch here for this, and I removed this old wiring, and we added new wiring with the new switch here.
Okay, so I remember the last time we walked through, we were kind of debating on the door. What are your thoughts now? Should we just get a new door?
Well, we're gonna take this off, and we're gonna come here, and we're just gonna latch it back and put a new hardware on it so we can,
So it's gonna work. You think we're good with that?
For sure.
Okay. This looks way better. Is this window broken?
Oh no, they had it there so they can block the sun.
Got it.
But now since the wall's gone, we took it out. Just take it off at the end, and we're just gonna, make it all the same, both sides.
This looks way better. I'm so glad we did this.
Put all the drywall in here, all the way around.
Looks good, man. Looks good. This looks like this has got a good feel in here.
Yeah.
Did you ever find what that leak
Yes.
was? Was the leak the refrigerator?
You didn't have no plumbing here. I took pictures before I sent it to him. So we went all the way down, took the cast iron out, removed it, put a PVC up, tapped in, put a little piece here, tapped in with a 3-wood with new lining all the way in.
Perfect. So that's where the leak
That's
was.
what it was. Yep.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah. So we got all that good. We're gonna keep this door.
Just paint it.
Yeah, we're gonna paint it. We're
Keep
gonna
those.
sand all this down, clean it all out, paint it all white, make everything look good. We're putting new doors here. Go for this light, and this light controls this, but there's no light bulb in it. But it
Perfect. We're keeping this.
Yeah,
It was decent,
I'm
right?
taking this off. I'm gonna keep it, but yeah. Oh, I was asking about this. You want this off? or should we just keep it? Jason said, I sent him a picture, he told me to leave it.
I would probably leave it. It doesn't look bad.
Yeah, so he's gonna come and resurface all this, the tub and that. New doors here.
Awesome.
He's gonna come and skip coat in here.
Oh, the texture looks good. Smells good. Smells brand new.
Sand it down. He'll probably sand. He's gonna get all the texture done today, and then tomorrow he'll come back, sand it, and retouch it, let it sit again, and we're way ahead of schedule.
Yeah. When he sent the pictures of the demo, I was like, man, you guys are rolling. So.
All this texture.
So if you guys can see, we like to retexture the entire house if possible, unless it's in really good condition. We like to do that. You guys obviously can't smell it, but it smells like a brand new house. So when we're done, it's going to be textured like a new house, and it just covers up all the imperfections. It's got a great feel. It smells good, looks good. So if possible, you're going to want to try to do that. It just literally changes the whole feel of the house. So let's just keep on cruising along here.
Texture, you just come in here and sand coat this and do all the texture in here.
That looks good. Do you want to get rid of
I think this looks nice.
this piece, but keep this?
I will keep all the windows have this. It looks. I mean, if you
They
don't
all have it?
Yeah, it looks good.
Let's check out. Oh, they all do have it. Huh.
Yeah, all the windows do.
Does the master have it too?
Yep. Well, you know what? No. So we'll remove it.
I like this,
Okay.
and I like this, but I would just get rid of this one, this little,
Cool.
the ones that come to a point.
Okay.
A little crazy, crank.
Yeah.
Let's check outside. There wasn't much going on out here. That dumpster is probably going to get flagged. They probably won't pick it up.
Oh, they
It's
won't.
too full.
Oh, wow.
There's a fill line. He'll get a phone call, and they probably won't pick it up. So you may want to have them
Break it down
either
and push it down.
push it down, or take some out. Yeah.
All right, well, they'll do it right now. You want this down or up?
Probably just take it down.
Okay.
Does this work? If it does, I would just keep
Well,
it.
I was gonna say there's some in the back. You want them all up still?
They all work.
They all work.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I mean, you might have to, I don't know, take them down the paint or what you do, but
Those, well, the same color, right?
we're gonna go the same color as 6.
Yeah.
On this landscaping, I just don't like that red rock, but there's so much of it. So what I would probably have these guys do is bring in some more matching rock like this, just because.
And just fill it all,
There's
fill it
already
all
there,
up.
yeah. Probably, do some plants here, which means you're gonna probably have to add a timer. Fill in whatever we need to make it enough rock.
Okay.
So out there, over here, just make it so it's enough rock. Probably just have him see if these outlets are okay.
Okay.
In the correct ones. If not, just change them. I know that's extra. And then you're probably gonna have to buy those little anti-siphon things on the faucet, because we get flagged on those all the time. Oh, the anti-siphon.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, they're here. Okay, cool.
Yeah, because we get flagged on that every time. Paint that white, the same color as the body of the house, if you can.
Okay.
I know it's going to absorb it. It's not going to be perfect, so but,
Yeah.
maybe just try the best you
I'm gonna do
can.
a primer and then we'll pay the primer to seal in the cracks and stuff.
Yeah.
And then we'll go
Because I know it's a pretty crappy looking fence. The landscapers can just throw that some
On
more.
the side.
Yeah, just there. Yeah, I would just do the same rock that's already here, and then you get the whole thing with this rock. Like I hate it, but maybe they can take this row and spread it around. But here, I would probably just have the guys do a
Clean.
cleanup. I mean, if they want, they can maybe throw a little rock back here, but I don't want to get crazy back here. But I wouldn't mind if they could do
Plants.
some plants here, plants on the other side. Then they probably get rid of, put these rocks wherever, just so they're not in the center. This stuff is ugly here. I'd probably get rid of this lava rock around there, and then they can put the normal, whatever they're doing out front, they can just put there. Here, I mean, I don't think they're gonna be able to put plants here, but if they could, that would be nice. But it's gonna be tough to get the drip system here, since it's surrounded by concrete. Just clean up
Same gravel.
a little bit, but I mean, it's the backyard. I don't want to get crazy. I'd rather spend a little bit more money in the front
On
yard
the
with the
front.
gravel, but you could fill in a couple low spots, but I don't want to get crazy back here.
Okay.
All the weeds. You could probably get rid of those circle things and put that rock somewhere else. That red brick probably needs to go away.